Hi there, CreativeSarah here, and today we're gonna make a Dollar Tree wire photo frame. We've got these cool pumpkins from Dollar Tree that clip on and some jute that I am just gonna wind around the ring of this wire photo holder. So you're just gonna hot glue little bits, go around it. Take your time and do little sections at a time. If you love these types of videos and you'd like to see more, go ahead and comment the word VIP. I will send you a welcome message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. So the frame is $1.25, the pumpkins were $1.25, and the jute was $1.25. You can make lots of these with all of the supplies. See that? Look how cool. Now I'm just going to take these pumpkins and clip them on. The clips come right on it. I made a little bow, and there we have it. Go ahead and like and follow my page for more decor.